Hello YouTube. It will go down. Yes, it will go down. Okay, I will play some trades and will try to explain why I placed that trade. Okay, let's see the result. Yes, bullish momentum. Okay, yes, indicator also said that this is bullish momentum. Okay, now let's see what will be the result. Okay, I had two solid reasons behind every trade. Yeah, yes, bullish momentum. Yes, we want that. Okay, see the next option, upper trend. Okay, there is also there is lower trend, there is upper trend. Okay, next candle should go up. Yes, it should go up. Yes, I placed that trade. Oh, it's going down. Yeah, I noticed that this week market is very bad. Yeah, very bad market. Let's see what will be the result. Yes, I will lose that. I will lose that. Yes, I will lose that. There was a strong upper trend. Last candle was trend continuation candle, so that's why I placed upper trade, but I think I will lose this trade. Okay, let's recover. Let's recover this $100 and let's see. Yeah, oh, downtrend, but trend is going up now. Okay, trend is going up now. Last candle had very little rejection. Okay, but there was a downtrend, so I went for call, but it was my mistake. Never go against the trend. Okay, I told you in my last video that trend is your friend. Okay, so that was mistake. Yeah, that was mistake. Okay, I always use 2 to 5% from my balance. Okay, so if I lose, then I have no pressure at all because I have 95 to 97% to recover that. Okay, let's see again. Yeah, yes, market is trying to go up. Yes, market is trying to go up. It will go up because third last candle had strong rejection. Okay, it's trying to go up. Yes, it's good. $100. Yes, it will go up. I'm confirm that this, yeah, market will go up for at least next 1 minute. Market will go up. I'm 100% sure. Yeah, market is bad, but my experience, yeah, it will, yeah, it will go up. Yeah, yeah, my strategy is almost 90% accurate. Okay, sometimes we lose 1 to 2 trades or 3 trades, not more than that. If market is bad, then we lose 2 to 3 trades. Okay, this will go, let's see, I think down. Yes, market will go down from here. Okay, downtrend. Okay, yeah, yes, downtrend, and this is strong level. Market went down from here 3 times and it will go down again. Okay, let's see the result. Let's see the result. Never use 2 to never use more than 2 to 3% per trade. Okay, always use 2% or 3%, or if you want to go more, then you can go till 5%. Okay, don't go more than 5%. Okay, or if you want to learn trading, you can message me on Telegram or email me. I will teach you, no issue. Okay, but losses are part of that game. Okay, bye bye.